Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power state and battery percentage so you know if changes will persist. Once done, open the Start menu and type Power and Battery to jump directly to the control panel. Make sure to be signed in with an admin account if prompted, because changing system power settings can require permission. You're now at the main screen that lists power mode, battery saver, and related settings. Proceed to the battery saver section to disable automatic activation. Now focus on the actual battery saver controls. Locate the battery saver section and toggle off the automatic activation. This prevents the system from switching modes without your consent. If you prefer precise control, move the turn on at slider to a lower percentage or to 0 so it never engages automatically, and understand that lowering it changes power vs performance balance. Once adjusted, consider toggling battery saver status until next charge. Finish by confirming your changes and verifying the active power mode is set to your desired profile, such as best performance. Once done, close settings. If your Lenovo has Vantage or other vendor apps, open them and disable any vendor-level battery saver presets that override Windows settings. If the setting does not persist, reboot the laptop, update Windows and power drivers, and recheck. Updating or reinstalling the battery driver often resolves permissions or software conflicts that prevent the change from saving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.